Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save JPG in 3ds Max. For example, we have this box here. Just go to the very top and just click on render or rendering. If not, you can press F9 and then go ahead and click on the save button or save image right here. Save it wherever you want and then make sure that the file type in here is set as JPG. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and name it whatever you want and then just click on save. Change the image control right here if you want to, and then hit on OK. Now you could close the renderer right here and find your saved JPEG on your desktop. Now, if you want to improve the quality, you can go ahead and go back to 3ds Max and press F10 on your keyboard, or rendering. Right here we have render setup. You can just click on it, and again, you can go ahead and use F10. All right. So in here, select the target. For example, we have here production, iterative, active shade mode. It's up to you. The renderer, it's up to you as well. The presets. Okay. So basic things that you need to know in here under comment section, you should choose at least the output size to HDTV video, and then go ahead and select the resolution. For example, I'm going to go ahead and use 4K. This one. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Under options, include whatever you want, as well as the lightings right here. Now under render output, you can go ahead over to files, save it wherever you want as well. All formats, JPEG, give it a name, 1, 2, 3, 4. Save, quality here as well, okay. Or you could go ahead over to the top, click on render. There you go. Wait for it to fully load. Now if you can zoom in and zoom out without those rendering particles, well, you can now go ahead over to save right here. I'm just going to go ahead and name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Format JPEG as well. Save. Okay. There you go. Close. And here we have the samples. Okay. This one is the first render option, or the F9 option. As you can see here, quality is not good. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. The second option, quality is better. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, the quality is the best. All right, those are the ways to save a JPG in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.